Hello friends, welcome to Swollen training session. In this lecture, we will continue our cavity part. So, in previous lecture, we will apply some operation like pocket milling. Now, we will continue. So, we will see this slot is apply. Now, we will select this portion and this portion. So, I will click on again pocket milling. Select this chain. OK. Now tool. So I will select another tool, means create a new tool and mill. Next, and change my diameter 3. OK. Just next and finish. C. Select my holder. In cut parameter, stock to leave on wall is 0. In stock to leave on floor is also 0. In roughing, I will select the parallel spiral toolpath. Entry motion is off. Finishing is not set. First of all, I will not set the depth of cut. Just click on OK. You will see the path is generated with cuts. You will see here. So now I will just check in verify selected operation. See here and play it. You will see this portion is remain. So I will just close it. In parameter, in our cutting parameter, change this pocket type by facing and this distance is 0. OK. Now in depth of cut, I will give 2 finishing cut by 0.5 and the roughing cut is 1. So click on OK. Regenerate. C. So we will check in verify selected operation and I will play it. OK. Just cancel it. Now the same portion is here. So I will just right click on this. Copy this toolpath, click here, right click and paste. You will see now this is your geometry chain. So click on this, right click and rechain all. Now I will select this toolpath. OK, and regenerate. So you will see both are applied. OK. Now the another pocket milling for this portion. So pocket milling, select this chain. OK. This is already clockwise. OK. Now the tool is set by 8 diameter. Holder is same. Cutting parameter, so stock to leave on wall is 0 and stock to leave on floor is also 0. Roughing, entry motion is close. Depth of cut, I will close the depth of cut option. Linking parameter, OK. So I will just click on OK. You will see the path is here. See, if you change this pass's value, so just click on this. In cutting parameter, roughing, change the step over distance like 2. OK, and regenerate. You will see this value is changed. Now we will apply the depth of cut. But first of all, what is the value of this depth? So we will check in PDF. You will see the depth is 20. So now depth of cut, the last two cut is 0.5 value and another is 1. So I will just click on OK, regenerate. See, now in verify selected operation we will check and play it. You will see this portion is ready. Okay, so I will just copy this toolpath. Now paste and geometry, right click and rechain this. So now I will select this chain. OK, clockwise and OK, and regenerate. So you will see this is ready. Now friends, this both side corner is pocket and the another side is remain. So I will select this and this also. Now tool part transform, select your mirror option by NCI source. In mirror you will select your mirror points coordinate. So this is your reset point and this is your selection point. So I will click on this. See, I will select the center point and again select this side center point. OK. Now you will see both operations are applied. So friends, in view and change the isometric and I will play these 4 pockets and this one also. Click on verify selected operation and check. So I will play it. You will see all operations are perfect. So I will close it. Okay. Now only just remain this roundness portion and this slot both side. So friends, in next lecture we will continue this part and operation. Thank you friends.